This wild plant could be the answer to your stubborn chest congestion. Have you seen this tall, woolly plant before? It's mullein, a traditional herb used for centuries to clear the lungs and support easier breathing. Herbalists love it because it works as an expectorant, helping loosen mucus and clear it from the chest. It means less coughing, less wheezing, and deeper breaths. We make it into a tincture so you can take just 1 ml in water daily. A simple, powerful way to support your lungs, especially through winter colds or lingering chest infections.